What's the meaning of canopy? Canopy. Canopy.
Canopy. Canopy. A canopy is a small, decorative piece of bread or cracker that is topped with various savory or sweet ingredients. These bite-sized appetizers are often served at parties and events as a way to showcase a variety of flavors and textures. Common toppings for canapés include smoked salmon, cheese, fruit, and herbs. The presentation of canapés is often just as important as their taste, with a focus on high-quality ingredients and attractive, eye-catching designs. Overall, canapés offer a sophisticated and elegant way to indulge in a range of delicious flavors.